Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.5, Problem 10. This is Section 1.5, Problem 10. It says round 23,105,996 to the nearest 10,000. So first, let's identify the digit that we're going to round to. The 10,000s position is actually the 0 near the center of the number. The 6 is in the 1s position, the next 9 over is in the 10s position, the 9 after that is in the 100s position, the 5 is in the 1000s position, and the 0 is in the 10,000s position. That's the position we need to round to because that's what the question asks us to do. So now what we want to do is look at the digit that is one position to the right of that. It's a 5. That's big enough to push our rounding position up by 1. So it's going to go from a 0 to a 1. So anything to the left of that will stay the way it is. The 2 will stay, the 3 will stay, the 1 will stay, the first one after the 3. The 0 will turn into another 1. It increases to a 1. And then everything after that turns into a 0. The 5 turns into a 0. Both 9s turn into 0s. The 6 on the end turns into a 0. And we can put in our commas every 3 digits. And the answer is 23,110,000.